Okay, so I'm making this video because I'm having a hard time finding any information about this until you dig a little deeper. My engine started up, ran just fine, but under a load, it was acting like it was misfiring. I'm an auto technician by trade, so I started with the ignition coils and spark plugs, and that didn't do it. And after further research, I came to the conclusion it needed to replace the trigger, which is basically a crankshaft position sensor. And that's this guy here, which is underneath the stator. And it tells the engine how to spark. A couple tools that you will need are metric and some standard, it seems. You're going to at least need a 10 and 11 pair of dikes to cut the zip tie, and you want to replace that zip tie. And a little screwdriver, and a little magnet too that you can retrieve when you drop crap down in there. So the trigger, which this is the old one, the ground hooks to the starter solenoid, which is way down in there. And this appears to be an ignition module that you want to take loose so you gain access to the starter solenoid to replace that. And another thing that the trigger don't come with is this little piece right here. This locks this in to here. I'll put that in real quick. Let's see if I can do that. Pushes from the bottom in. And it's very greasy, so some gloves would help too. And that's this piece over here. And just snaps right in right there. Above that is the stator. It sits just right on top like that. And what you'll need is some Allen head screws for that, which are these. To install them, and don't use any ball Allen screws, ball Allen wrenches, because they like to snap off in the heads, and then you're in a whole nother world of problems. Another thing you want to do is get this tool right here, which is a flywheel removal tool. That's like $20 from Amazon. This way you don't damage your flywheel when removing it. Looks like that. That'll pull your flywheel out to gain access to all this. I actually bought my trigger from Parts Vu. Took a little bit longer, but they were cheaper. But boats.net had the part, and it would have been a little bit quicker. So you want to save some money and wait, go with Parts Vu. If you want it quicker, you can do it right away. Go with Parts.net. I mean boats.net. Boats.net has a better catalog and easier to find stuff. But you can always use the part number you find and go to Parts View to do it. And this is on a 50 horsepower 2-cycle Mercury Force engine. Alright, now I have to reassemble everything, and everything should work great afterwards. Bye.